He wants to give the song कुछ कहना भी चाहते हैं.
Uh, First of all, Assalamu alaikum, everyone, the students, the parents, teachers, and of course, the honorable guests. Well, I was not expecting that I was going to be called upon here for the song because this was the stuff that I used to do during my school period when I was a student over here. So, शायद मैं उम्र सोचा अभी भी I still got the germs of music as well as other aesthetical sense that I've just called on here. In the meanwhile, just setting for that, I would like to just share a few views, everyone present over here. We all are very lucky to be a part of AJB, one way or the other, especially the students who have completed their matriculation and even luckier who are still enjoying the services of this institution. The major differences or the services, in services rather, when we compare AJB with other institutions or with other sectors, organizations, is the quality. No doubt about that. We are mighty blessed to have had the services of this institution. I'm not saying for the sake that I've been part of this institution, but it's a true fact that being a student, being an ex-student, this institution has given me a lot and has contributed a lot to my success wherever I stand today. And even in my further development, in my further advancement, whatever I'm going to achieve later on in my life, the basis, the foundation which I gain from this institution are going to play a vital role behind all that. When we enter college life, especially when we join the college and university life, if we have the proper solid background, things become quite smoother, quite easier. So I think the parents, especially who are sitting over here, I would like to congratulate them for they are having their kids and getting them educated in a highly recognized institution like AJB. So I would like to thank AJB for all they have done and they're still doing and I'm sure they're continue doing in future as well. जिसकी बात करते थे, I was quite surprised today to hear the judges speak in English and another factor that has revealed to me उनकी उर्दू भी उनकी इंग्लिश तरह बहुत अच्छी है. So I was a bit amazed. Anyways, because when we were students, madam and sir, they were all the time behind us speaking English, speaking English. Whenever we were found speaking word in Urdu, they would, fit us and they would fine us. That was for our betterment, for our good luck. At times, we really found such things quite irritating. What the English is. I mean, I used it when I became in this institution in class 6. I hardly could speak a word in English, except I love you. Nothing more than that. So, may God bless her, who is unfortunately no more with us, Madam Kishore Jan. When I was class 6, she was taking a class, and during one of the periods, she just told us that we should even start thinking in English. If the thought process is going on inside us, we should try to focus and we should try to think in English as well. So that was for our betterment. English, technology, computer, these all are the factors which really help us a lot when we join the college life or we advance further in life in different segments, in different sectors. So I hope that all the students who are being deeply benefited by all the services, they are continue enjoying the services and gonna return big time and really take this institution as a symbol of dignity. Thank you so much. like I have so many memories connected to this institution which we keep cherishing. So यादों से कुछ पुरानी memories से related मैं थोड़ा song गाता हूँ. जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते. जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, फिर नहीं आते. ओ फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, फूल खिलते हैं, लोग मिलते हैं, मगर पतझड़ में जो फूल मुरझा जाते हैं, वो बहारों के आने से खिलते नहीं. कुछ लोग इस रोज जो बिछड़ जाते हैं, वो हजारों के आने से मिलते नहीं. एक बार चले जाते हैं जो दिन रात सुबह शाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते. जिंदगी के सफर में गुजर जाते हैं जो मकाम, वो फिर नहीं आते, वो फिर नहीं आते. Thank you.
कहना चाहती है, कहते मिस्ताजिर, बट हम आपका इंतजार कर रहे हैं. One of the very successful ex-student of ours who did her